Hey guys, this is Rachel here. Just want to come back and welcome you to another video. This is the unboxing for the Winter Wishes, and the original audio for this video was just trash. I don't know what happened, if I had the wrong settings or whatever had gone on, so I'm just going to come in and do a voiceover and sort of repeat what I was saying on camera. So I'm going to start out here. This is the paper collection that can be purchased separately. You get 24 pages, which means you get 4 copies of each of the 6 designs that are included. And really, really love the non-traditional colors that she is using here with the blue, the white, and the black that she has brought in. And I believe the last page I show you, and here you'll see in just a second, she has a gray background, is the focal. So wide variety. Again, you don't have to use these pages. You know, the more generic pages you don't have to use as Christmas if you don't wish to. So again, just showing you really quickly the different patterns that are available where they are different, yet they all work together, which is really nice the way that they all coordinate. So I'm just kind of arranging them here, try to make sure you can see each of the designs on camera. And I really like the silhouette effect that you get with the black snowflake, and again the way she did it with they look like silhouette images of the Christmas tree on that first page. So lots and lots of variety here for sure. And again, these are in the A5 size. And then her final page, like I had just mentioned, is she's got a gray background with this white Christmas tree, or it looks like a Christmas tree. It's almost like an image you would see in A Nightmare Before Christmas. So lots of fun there. Really like that. So that is the paper collection for the Winter Wishes. And again, this is a standalone purchase in the A5 size. And the papers that are included with the card making kit, they are, I believe, are all single-sided. Some are Christmas themed and some are not. So you've got, again, a good mix. If you don't wish to make a Christmas card, you don't have to. So that's always nice. So just a quick flip through of the different papers. And what I'm showing you here, some of the things that you get in the kit might be slightly different. With the exception of the designer papers in that first pack that I flipped through. There might be slight variations in the card making kit, but this gives you an idea of what you may be getting. So it's always good to have the overview. And I love that little bunny, the little Christmas bunny, and then the little birdie. So cute. I've been having so much fun with this. Me and all the gals on the design team just having a ball. And of course, you know, you can see in Dawn's video, she is too, of course. So with the card making kit, it is important to note that you receive only 1 sheet each of the specialty papers that she has designed. So again, you just get one of each. And I believe this is also in the A5 size. So lots and lots of fun to be had. And I really like the way the blues work with the red papers. So that is the set of designer papers, 1 each, that comes with the card making kit. And then some of these in the next group of pages you'll see are a throwback to last year's festive treasures. So you may remember them if you purchased that kit. That's where she is pulling these from, and adding some of the elements here and there from that kit from last year. So much fun. Love those stars. And I like, on this one is probably also one of my favorites. I like the wreaths that look like postage stamps. So again, if you enjoyed the Festive Treasures kit from last year, you get a little bit of a throwback to that kit from last year's kit. And then here she has also designed a decoupage sheet, and she put the letters next to each of the elements so you know how to layer them and in what order. Or, as always, you could just cut them apart separately and use them individually. You don't have to make them the stacked poinsettia, but she shows you the order in which to do it if you want to. And then in the A4 sized papers that come with the card kit. This is the UK equivalent of the 8.5 by 11. You get a piece of white Copic cardstock, you get a pale blue, you get a medium blue, you get the red, then you get kind of like an off-white, almost an ivory color, then you get a really nice olive green, and I believe the final sheet is a really pretty textured gold. It's like a matted gold color on that final sheet. That is the specialty cardstock that comes with the card making kit. So that is again all of the cardstock that is available with the card making kit. So I'm gonna scoop those up and set those to the side, and now we'll start getting into the other elements. So starting out here, you see the Santa stamp set where you get the sentiments, you get a little Santa and a little reindeer, and then of course the requisite cookies and milk for Santa. So just a fun, cute little stamp set that is included with the card making kit. And again, this is not sold individually. I believe this is only available with the card kit. And also included, you get, I believe it's about an A4 sized stencil. And I brought in the green cardstock just so you could see the image better. It was getting kind of lost on the mat on my desk. So I think I'm just going over where you can use this on a whole sheet of paper, or you can just color, use sections of it to build up your background image in whichever way that you want to use it. So again, that is the stencil. And if you should have any of the little plastic bits that pop out, I would hang on to those because those can always be used as a tiny mask for building up images into your background. So the two little things that were still in the stencil, I'm going to keep those and hang on to them to add extra little elements to my project. So waste not, we don't waste any little bits, that is for sure. All things can be used in crafting, and I think that's one of the things I love the most. And I think that's what I'm mentioning here is saying, even the small bits can be put to good use. So I'm going to scooch that out of the side. And then I'm going to come in. She included a sheet of metallic stars that you can use for embellishing. And so cute. Some of them were already trying to jump off the paper, you can see. And then I absolutely love these little round stickers that she provides. Well, I like all the stickers that she provides, but these are so much fun. And this year I made the decision to not only turn them into my fun buttons, that's probably my top way to upscale them, but I also had a lot of fun turning these stickers into baubles on the Christmas cards. Um, that is just a little heads up on a video that's going to be upcoming that will be out after this unboxing video. And then for some other round stickers that you can use for embellishments or sentiments, she just also included some Christmas themed round stickers, as well as you'll see here shortly, she included some like rectangle square, rectangle sentiments, not square. They're rectangle. I do know my shapes, I promise. So these are fun, and I believe I have used a couple of these larger Merry Christmas stickers as well. So again, there's always a ton of these fun stickers. You can use them to close up your envelope if you don't have to mail the card. If you're handing it to someone, instead of licking the envelope for the card, you can use one of the stickers. And then, as always, there's lace and ribbon included in the kit. So I'm starting out here with a really pretty piece of black lace. And again, on one of the projects, I have already used that. And then she included some white satin ribbon or sateen ribbon. And then there is, I believe it's called grosgrain, but I could be wrong. I'm not up on types of, it's lace or ribbon is about what I can call it. Yeah, I believe it's grosgrain is what it's called. So you get that in the really pretty red. So that's a little bit more traditional in the colors with the black, white, and red. But again, you get two pieces of ribbon and a piece of really pretty lace. And then again, going back to the point that if those of you need to make cards that are not Christmas cards, she does include some other elements. She includes some flowers, you'll see shortly, as well as these little extra embellishments to make your card into a different theme if you need to do something besides Christmas. So, and you get quite a lot. Again, showing you on the video doesn't really show you how many are in there. She also included some specialty gemstones. These are really pretty. They're almost like the tiger's eye that you see where they make marbles out of it is the first thing that I can think of. I remember all those marbles as a kid, and they have that tiger's eye, and then she had some little rhinestone looking gemstones. And then she also included a whole mix of different colors, sizes, shapes. There's some druzies in there, just all different colors. She included a fun pack you could use for a shaker, or you could stick with the traditional sequins that she gives here, and you could put them together to make a really nice shaker card. So you get a good bit of gemstones, you get a good bit of the sequins. And then, as always, Dawn has included a large amount of fake paper flowers, not fake flowers, paper flowers that she has created and put together for you. There's a pack of small ones, and then here is the other. Some of them are small, but there's the more medium and large size in the paper flowers right here. So that is always included. And she does mail them flat. They will come flat in the kit. That makes it easier for shipping and cuts down on the damage that can happen. So again, you get two packs of flowers. Some are the tiny ones and some are a mix of the sizes. And again, they are also coordinating in color to the papers with being the white and blue. So that's the flowers. Then she also, as always, has included a full roll of the washi tape. And this year's selection, it looks like a cocoa brown stripe. And it's like if you took cocoa and made it into like a peppermint stick. So that is the full roll of the washi tape. And again, it's a lot. I think that's what I'm saying here. That's a very, very long roll of washi tape. So you get a lot of use out of that. She has also included 2 packs of specialty sentiments that are pre-cut for you. They are foiled in silver and gold. I believe gold is what I'm showing you first. And they have some generic as well as seasonal sentiments on them. But again, they are cut down for you and ready for you to use. So this one is the gold foiling, and then again, she has it in the silver. So these are the specialty sentiments that she gave you. So it's pretty tricky trying to do a voiceover when you got to try to remember what you was saying, but it's so much fun. You know, when am I ever going to not have fun talking about Dawn stuff? Like, never. So it is all good. So for additional elements for embellishments and toppers, as well as the sentiments, she has included 6 larger sized sentiment strips in the Merry Christmas. I believe they are foiled. You get a blue, a red, and another silver. And then again, she gave you a really nice collection of pre-cut toppers. So if you can't or don't fussy cut, there's always, always a good sized bundle of things pre-cut for you, and that you can just add them to your project and go. And then you don't have to worry about doing any cutting. So just a wide range of Christmas trees, the wreaths, the postage stamp wreaths, the stars. You get trees in the different sizes. You get smaller elements that coordinate with the papers. I believe one of them is a small image of like the black silhouette tree on the blue background. You also get a snowman that can coordinate with the snowman that was used in the previous paper. This makes a good sentiment topper. So again, you will never lack for crafting items in Dawn's kit. You literally are getting some of everything. The only thing you have to provide is glue, tape, scissors, and or card, if you make cards. Now she does not include the pre-made cards and envelopes because pretty much everybody has them, and it also frees up space for her to add in additional elements. So she has discontinued adding cards and envelopes into the kits. And then now I'm starting to work my way through the final elements that are available in the kit. um, she has included these really fun natural wooden embellishments. Um, there is, well, the angel is what's in my hand, but there's the wreath, and I can't remember if that's one or two of the natural wooden Christmas trees in there. I can't tell from here. I think it's just one Christmas tree, one wreath, and then the angel are what is included for the embellishments. And then I think there are also some smaller natural wood Christmas trees in this particular package. And I think I'm talking about different things that you can do. I really get a kick out of embossing the wooden elements. So if you've seen enough of my videos, you've probably seen me do that quite a few times now. And prior to this unboxing video, I did put up a sneak peek video where you see me working with the angel. And I can link that down below, or you can just pop over to my channel if you're interested. And as always, all the links that you need to visit Dawn and all the other design team members, all of her websites, to her new shop, to her Etsy shop, all of that will be in the description box below. And again, as of today, October 1st, all of these elements are now available for sale on her store. So this is another pack of some specialty wooden elements. You get the one little, looks like a little Christmas type house, and some little wooden Christmas trees. These are, they look like they've different colored wood, but again, you could always come back in, like I'm saying here, and add in some embossing. But I really like that little red wooden house, and I believe I've already used that in one of the projects. I don't know that that video's come out yet, but if it's not yet, it will be coming out. And then absolutely my favorite thing in this kit were these little ornaments. You could use them as a tag, you can use them on a card, you can, I'm actually going to end up using most of these. The only one that got put on a card so far that I know of is that pup, because I just had to. But when I get these guys up on my tree, I will take man, I'm telling you, my brain ain't working. I will take a photo and put it up on my community page on my channel. So definitely love these guys a lot. And I'm going to have so much fun zhuzhing them up and having them get ready for Christmas. And then I will be able to put them on my tree. So these little guys pretty much are the end. I saved these for last. And here's the Santa, and you get the truck, you get the car, the dog, and the house. And again, these are all included. Everything that you see is available on the website, but again, as always, supplies are limited. So once she sells out of all this stuff, that's it. It's going to be gone, because again, this is her final collection for 2023. And any promos and sales and any information that I have coming in, I will definitely also list that in the description box below. So please be sure to keep an ear to the ground, and me, Dawn, and all the other gals on the design team will definitely keep you up to date on any sales or promotions that are coming. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for putting up with me doing the voiceover. Take care, stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.